Welcome back, guys, to another interesting video. In today's video I want to show you guys step by step on how you can get an RDP for yourself, as you can see on the thumbnail. Okay, so today's video I'll show you guys how to get a good RDP if you're the type that is doing outlier, online surveys, remote jobs and all that. RDP will help you a lot. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, share the video to someone you need. Also, you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp group. Link will be in the description of this video. So now the first thing you want to ask is, what is RDP? Okay, so RDP is a very simple term. Okay, RDP is more like a virtual laptop. Okay, so let me just give you an instance. If you have a laptop here in Nigeria and another person have another laptop in USA, okay, and you want to log into that person's laptop from Nigeria while the laptop is still in the USA, or you left your laptop in the USA and you are in Nigeria, the best way for you to log in that laptop from here, from Nigeria, meanwhile the laptop is still in the UK, is to use a remote desktop protocol. Okay, so it allows you to log into your laptop, do anything you want to do on your laptop while still in another state. That's the simple way to explain what it is. Okay, so the reason why it is very good for surveys is that since you're in Nigeria, you know surveys won't allow you to take surveys in Nigeria. You won't get good jobs as a remote worker, and outlier won't allow you to get an account from them. Okay, so when you use it, you are literally working from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, wherever RDP you get. Okay, so there's different countries RDP. The most popular one is USA. All right, so yeah, that's how RDP works. Okay, you can check online to learn more about how RDP works. As you can see right here, it says RDP is a Microsoft technology that lets you control a computer or a server from a different device. As you can see, okay, that's the meaning of RDP. Okay, so most of you also have this mindset that VPS and RDP are different. No, they are not different. Okay, they are not different. VPS is just more like the owner of RDP. Okay, VPS is like a house and RDP is the one that turn on the lights and other things, open the door. That's how it is. Okay, people just gave it a name because it is RDP you use to control your own VPS. Hope you get what I'm saying. So yeah, there are different type of RDP. Now, even though RDP is a very good thing for you to use to take all of these things, make money online for yourself, it's also advisable that you know what you are buying before you buy, because you can get RDP from some website and you will get shits, right? Your RDP can be, you can browse your IP address from any IP address checker and you will notice that they wrote VPN. Why? Because your RDP is not coming from a residential source, it's coming from a data center source. All right, so in this video I want to show you guys how to get it from a residential source that will not give you any headache or problem, and I will not flag your account. Okay, and there's this particular website I only see online that people talked about, which is called Helix. This website is normally based as a data center IP. Okay, they sell for 6.50 cents for 1 month, and their ISP is from their own server, not from like Comcast, T-Mobile, AT&T. Their IP is from their own server. Okay, so that's why this is a data center IP, not a residential IP. So if you are doing surveys, don't go for it, but if you want to use this for any other thing, you can buy this. All right, so now the first website you can get an RDP from is this website called RDPadmin.com. Okay, as you can see, this is the name as it implies right here. All right, this website has a lot. Okay, so when you scroll down right here on this website, you can see they have USA, UK, Germany, Netherlands, France. And take note, this is not a sponsor video. Okay, I'm making my research and making sure I can give you guys the best website to get this from. All right, and as you can see right here, their website states that if you are getting a USA RDP, you can get it for as low as $5, as you can see. But one thing you should take note of is that look the CPU and the memory, which is the RAM and the storage they are giving you, and also the network speed. All right, so as you can see, if you get one of $5, you're only getting 1 gig gram. If you are getting one of $10, you are getting 2 gig gram, and if you are getting the one of $15, you are getting 4 gig gram. Okay, it depends on how fast you want it to work, and I just suggest that you get the one of $15 or $10 depending on your budget. Okay, there's one of $30, $55, $90 based on what you want to use it for. Okay, if you know you want to, you can make a lot of money in few days. You can get one. If it works for you, you can scale up if you want. All right, so if you want to get from this website, all you just need to do is to click on get started, then choose the country you want. Let's say I want United Kingdom right here. Then you can click on buy UK RDP, then choose the one you want. Let's say I want to go for the one of $10 right there. So to bring it to this page, it's not supposed to bring it to this page because I've signed up on this website already. You understand? If I log out, let me just log out. Let's see. Okay, let me click on buy RDP, and let me choose buy now right here. Then as you can see, okay, so this is how to make the payment for these. All right, as you can see, you can choose from this which city you want. Let's say Los Angeles, and this I can just choose 2019 11 gig, and yeah, Windows Server. That's just it. And you can choose 12 gig. This is the Windows Server of this. Anyone you want. Okay, then unlimited. All of this, just leave it and click on continue. You can even pay with your US card. Okay, if you have a US card, you can also pay with bank transfer in Nigeria. You understand? So that's it. Now the second website you can get it from is this website called snthosting.com. okay, so this website, you can see here, they have a lot. As you can see, this is their pricing for their own. All right, here they only deal with, I think, USA mostly. Okay, USA mostly, USA. So if you are getting USA, you can get it for as low as 5.99. okay, so firstly, let me just go back to their dashboard right here. Okay, so no, okay, yeah, this is the dashboard. So when you click on get started right here, you can see you can buy a shared IP. As you can see, when you click on it, deploy now, you can get this for just 4.99 per month. Make sure you check what you are buying before you buy anything. Okay, that's why most people sell this thing, because not everybody understand how this thing works. You understand? So this is the second website you can buy it from. Okay, as can, this is a Windows VPS. I suggest you just go for this plan. This one is more okay for you. Okay, I suggest you go for this one. Okay, and if you don't know how to buy, there's a place that they say you should, if you don't know how to buy, they will help you locate a good one. Let me check it. Alright, right here, as you can see, say need help choosing Windows plan. Just click on compare Windows plan right here, or you talk to an agent. You understand? So as you can see, you can compare this one that costs 4.99 per month. As you can see, to be shared to multi users. Here, this one is semi shared. As you can see, 7 to 14 users. It will be shared to it, even though you buy it at $20 right here. This is what I suggest you guys should go for. Okay, this Windows VPS is more okay. Then you can buy this. So now the third website is this one. Okay, this one, I don't think most people want to buy this because it's very costly. You can see the pricing right here. So those are the 3 websites you can get VPS from. Okay, these 3 websites. And also, if you want to get residential proxy for your service and all that, if you don't want to use RDP, you can just go to Jonix. Okay, this is Jonix right here. Yeah, this Jonix link will be in the description. You can get your residential proxy from them, and when you use James Survey, they'll give you a very massive discount. Okay, so yeah, we use this for surveys and all that. It is tested and trusted for a long time now, and you can use this for anything you want to do. Use it for. Okay, so when you use the link below, they will give you this discount. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Join our WhatsApp channel and Telegram, and God bless you as you do so. Bye.